Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. My name is Tipo and today I'm going to show you a lip scrub for dry and dark lips. In Australia, spring is a little bit dry and your skin starts to feel dry. I have made face pack for different types of skin which will help your skin get hydrated in this spring. The link for that video is up here in the information box. Sometimes it's not enough to coat your lips with balms and oils. To really cure your constant chapped lips problem, exfoliate away the rough, dry skin is essential in helping fresh layers of skin come through. In this video, I will show you some tips and tricks on how you can lighten up your dark lips in this season. So keep watching this video up to the end. Here I have taken 4 teaspoons of white sugar which will help us to exfoliate dead skin. 1/4 teaspoon of honey will remove all the blemishes and prevent infection. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, it has a property to heal seriously dry and cracked lips. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil which will help to moisturize the lips and it gives firm texture to our lips. Now I'm adding 2 drops of food coloring. It's totally safe to use. Here I'm adding red gel color which does not give a stubborn stain. Don't use blue or green or any dark color, otherwise you will end up with dark lips. Some people add beetroot juice, but because it has natural properties inside, it will end up with fungus. This scrub you can keep it for many days. I always like to keep my DIY stuff in glass bottles. It keeps my ingredients fresh and long lasting. My scrub is ready and I am taking a little chunk and scrubbing on my lips for a while. Then I am taking an old toothbrush to scrub. Do it gently, otherwise you will damage your lips. Lip scrub is good for softening and smoothing lips before applying lipstick. Wipe down your lips with a warm wet towel and the main thing, don't lick your lips. It has a dead skin inside. I know, sugar is always tempting. Apply vitamin E oil to restore lips moisture. My lips look so juicy and pink. Hope you like this video. See you all next week.